Alright, there it's on. Hey guys, top end of the engine is finished. Look at the wiring we got done, which turned out perfect. Check that out. Top end of the engine is done. We're playing hooky today because we don't want to work. It's nasty outside. So we went into the garage and we pulled out the beast. And now we're gonna fire her up and make sure everything runs. So let's see what we got going on in here. All right, we have to make sure this works too. So, where are we? Intercooler, radiator, fuel pump, you can hear it kick on. And here we go. Let's see what happens. Please start.